Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 3, leçon O. I hope you're ready because we'll see l'Extrême-Orient, so Far East, l'Extrême-Orient, so let's discover that together. So Far East in French we'll say l'Extrême-Orient, l'Extrême-Orient. Le Japon. Le Japon. La Chine. La Chine. La Chine. L'Inde. So remember you get this nasal here form. I-N-1. L'Inde. L'Inde. Le Pakistan. Le Pakistan. Hong Kong. Hong Kong. Okay, so let's see everything one more time here. L'Extrême-Orient, le Japon, la Chine, l'Inde, le Pakistan, Hong Kong. Okay, and now for the nationalities. So each time I will put the masculine form and the feminine form. Okay, le Japon, japonais, japonaise. Okay, so the only difference is there. Est, aise. Japonais, japonaise. La Chine, chinois. So it's really this wa sound, remember? Chinois, chinoise, z, was, chinoise. So chinois, chinoise. L'Inde, indien, yin, indien, indienne. So remember this double N, you open it, indienne. Le Pakistan, pakistanais, pakistanaise. Hong Kong, chinois de Hong Kong, chinoise de Hong Kong. So let's see them one more time. Le Japon, japonais, japonaise. La Chine, chinois, chinoise. L'Inde, indien, indienne. Le Pakistan, pakistanais, pakistanaise. Hong Kong, chinois de Hong Kong, chinoise de Hong Kong. That's it for now. The channel is here and the website is here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.